Hey guys, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to those of you who are new. Yeah, it's been a minute, guys. I know, to all my subscribers, I haven't posted a video in several months. Over 6 months now for sure. So, yeah, to my subscribers, I'd like to apologize. I mean, not sorry. But at the same time, I'm just, I just like to say a big thank you to my subscribers for sticking around, and for those of you who have subscribed to my channel in my absence, thank you and welcome. Okay, yes. So I have been busy. I've been busy, guys. But basically this video is just to give you an update on my plants, my mini jungle, and just to give you a little progress report on it. And then hopefully from here on, I can keep a consistent log of how my jungle is progressing. Um, so yes, I used to have approximately 50 plants, and now I have approximately 30 plants in my home. Damn! Yeah, so as I was telling you, I've been busy, right? And with that came the struggling of some of my plants. Yeah, I didn't really have the time to give them the attention that they required. And so for that reason, some of them have perished, some of them have been struggling, and some of them have been thrown out because I just didn't have the time to give them that extra attention that they required during this period of my life. So as I mentioned before in previous videos, guys, you always need to assess your situation, your current situation and lifestyle, and make a decision on how many plants you can manage at a time in your home, because yeah, these plants do need attention, and they require you to not necessarily hover over them, but you need to pay attention, see if they need water, see if they have pests, if they need to be repotted, if they have the right amount of light, and so on and so forth, just to make sure that the conditions in your home are right for them. But in that period of time in my life, I didn't have the attention to provide to them. So a lot of my small plants I found perished. Some of my bigger plants did too, but in a sense that if the pot had maybe 3 stems, maybe 1 or 2 of them perished or had to be taken out. So that's basically what's happened. I just didn't have the time for that. So I just figured in the time, during that time when I wanted to buy plants, I opted for picking up bigger plants as opposed to smaller plants, just to minimize the amount of responsibility that I have. It's easier to manage several big plants as opposed to several dozen smaller plants. So this is what I did. I purchased bigger plants as opposed to the smaller plants, because they make a bigger impact in a room, for less, in a sense. In terms of quantity. So basically that's what I did. I opted for quality over quantity, and that helped out a lot. Most of my plants now are doing well. I'm finding that I'm having a little bit of an issue with my plants that are in clay pots. Something about those pots. Obviously, they provide they allow for the plant to breathe more, and so they dry out more, and thus requiring more watering or frequent watering as opposed to if they were in a plastic nursery pot. But yeah, those plants, some of them are struggling and haven't been on top of the watering. So that's one thing I'm finding is an issue. I'm considering transferring some of those plants into those plastic nursery pots so that I can reduce my load of work with my plants. But that's about that. And I also cut down on buying plants. I haven't actually purchased a plant in in several months. I'm not too sure. The last plant I picked up was late summer, I believe, and I haven't picked one up since, and I'm missing it, but at the same time I'm not, because as I mentioned, I've been busy. But yeah, that's about it. One more thing that I forgot to mention, an update about my home and my mini jungle. So we no longer have my pet cat, Snow, Jon Snow. We had to give him to another family because it wasn't quite working out between him and my babies. Yeah, we've got some birds. We've got budgies now. And that actually adds to the feel of my mini jungle. That wasn't my intention. We got them for the kids, and they are very loud and very vocal, and they're doing great in our home. Once in a while, we let them fly around for a little bit, and then back into the cage they go. But it's been great. Kids love it. I enjoy it. They've been attacking my hanging plants, but once I see that they're in the pot, I shoo them away and repeat the process until they're back in their cage. Once again, thanks to all my subscribers and all my new ones and all my subscribers to come. And if you're here and you watch this video to the end, how about you just click on the subscribe button? Like, just do it, right? Anyways, don't forget to like as well. All right, that shows me that you enjoyed my video, as simple as it was today. But yeah, show your girl some support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.